Well done, good boy.
Who's been dreaming like I've been dreaming?
Left wing, check. Take her up, Dumbo.
Friends and colleagues, let's give a warm Dreamland welcome to our new Executive Vice President.
Mr. Vanderveer, I have one question. Exactly what do I do?
About the what?
We made a deal with Dumbo. We promised we'd buy his mom back with all the money he makes for the circus.
Welcome to the Coliseum.
Let's do this.
Pink elephants.
So? What's going on? Your men are supposed to be out there.
Change of plan from the top.
It's Mrs. Jumbo.
Guys, go easy. It's just a baby. Soldier, I give the orders here.
Get rid of the mother. You know where to take her. And treat yourself to some new boots.
But sir, you can't just kill her.
Mr. Vanderveer, please. All Dumbo wants is his mama. Just reunite them, and he'll do whatever you want.
Dumbo and his mom need a little alone time. So, Mommy's gonna take a little trip. You lost control of the animal.
You're the animal. Where was my net?
It's for rehearsal. This is the show.
I thought you promised.
Max, the contract says I'd hire them. It never stipulated for how long.
Well, her mom always knew what to say. No matter what. She always knew.
About time, boss. So when do we start?
This Dreamland doesn't deserve it.
No circus does.
I resigned my position as soon as I heard him give the order.
What order?
Mrs. Jumbo will be gone by tomorrow night.
Who's gonna be willing to help me? Set Dumbo and his mama free. All right, Big D. It's all up to you now.
Return me to the vast abyss. See!
Where the impossible is possible.
Okay.
Sure you can do this?
I fly elephants all the time. Are you sure you can do this?
We've lost power. Even the cages?
Ready for Dumbo!